here we have a hairdryer, and what's happened is this bearing has got warm, and when you switch it on it makes a hell of a racket because that shaft is wobbling around in the bearing. Now you can make a temporary fix with this high temperature grease, but of course being that it gets very hot, this doesn't last very long. So what I'm thinking of doing is, because I've got a lathe, making a tiny sleeve that fits over that part of the shaft, and then opening that out very slightly with a reamer to make a nicer fit on the shaft. Let's see if it works. The original hole was 4.4, so I've drilled it out to 5.2. This hole is for the original spindle, so I'm gradually increasing it until it's a push fit on the spindle. That feels quite a nice push fit now onto the armature spindle. So the next job is to turn the outside diameter down until it's a nice sliding fit into that oilite bearing I've just drilled out. Feel it's almost there, so what I'll do is I won't turn anymore. I'll just polish it up until it's a nice sliding fit. Almost, not quite. Finally part it off right close to the chuck and then press it onto the spindle, and then final polish when it's on the spindle. There's the little sleeve, and it's got to be pushed onto the spindle. You can see where the spindle is worn a bit, as well as the bush. So next job is to push it on. Luckily I had a piece of aluminium with the correct size hole in it, so I can just tap the end of that just to push that sleeve right down. Using my watchmaker's lathe, I'm now polishing up the sleeve until it's a nice sliding fit in the bearing. Also had to increase the size of the internal diameter of these little washers with a file, diamond file as well, so it fits over the slightly bigger diameter spindle now. In fact, I couldn't file out the existing washers, it broke, so luckily I've got some PTFE, so I measured the thickness of these two washers, actually 3 of them, and made a little PTFE washer up. Anyway, we'll see how it lasts. Should be okay with a bit of luck. Put it all back together again, moment of truth. Seems to work. We'll see how long it lasts. Thanks for watching.